Friday morning vibes, you know? The vibes are me a whole, yeah. My gosh, how are you? Damn, make it go on, yeah. Water vibes. On the one. Oh man, look up them tune now. Big tune, blessed morning to all out there, see what I say. I say, big up Buju Banton. Yeah, big up Buju Banton, straight. Buju Banton a real icon in the business. So I say, enough artists Buju Banton help enough. Whole heap artists Buju Banton bring. And big up Vibes Cartel. You saw me I say, straight. Yeah man. Respect all that elder them in our business. Yeah. Because me I try to be a musician still, even though some people not really appreciate some of my music them, but you know I try. So I have to just give and take with I. So when I say I love the music so much that when it come to me, I have to just say it out of my mouth. You see me? Put it on paper and then say it out of my mouth. Big up on yourself, man. I hope you have a beautiful day today. So I say, just there I go and burn and sleep on all the vibes. You see me? Because I know enough people out there go through worse than me. You see me? Yeah. Because now care you humble yourself, youth. Female, man, woman, boy and girl. Now care you humble yourself. I'm telling you this. There are some people that like on humble. And they will try every little thing to get you to get upset and cause a problem, you know? Yeah. Some people through them, there's some place I work longer than you. Them feel so well. You come to fight them and watch them. That's what I say. Basically, you have some people them try to give you a bad name. You see me? Yeah, call you all kind of name where to make people turn from you. But you told me as a youth, I can tell the world this. I never go to prison yet. I never go to jail yet. I'm not a troublemaker. I tell the world this all the while. I am not a troublemaker. I love music. Yeah, a lot of people will give me a bad name. Say me a gunman and me a criminal. A lot of people will try to set me up, like some girl in my community will try to set me up and carry me to some little waste man. That's what I say, where quick to want to come put the man for me. But you know, I don't want to put a Glock in my hand. Because any man can kill a man, that's what I say. I don't want my thing go this so. So I try to deal with my thing properly and keep humble and say to myself. Because the same people them where I help, are the same people them come to kill you. That's what I say, straight. So, big up everybody who are do good. But all the people that mix up in evil, you see me? Yeah, man. And be careful, owners sorry for out there, because enough of them are set up on a blood clot life, dead. You see me? If you're there work, be careful that somebody work at them when you're monks. I mean, talk this loud. I mean, this the bigger heads, them, I talk about the work of them that come and work like myself, yeah. Be careful that somebody, you see me? Yeah, man. Whether church, workplace, your yard, just be careful of the people, them. You see me? And big up Damian Crawford. Straight. Yeah. Whether you win or you lose, my boss. Big up Damian Crawford. I mean, not success up. Yeah. And big up all that comrade them. We put out them best. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up all that comrade them. We put out them best. They are going with the vibes, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. A whole heap of things are going out there. Please, me I beg you now. The man them we are killed, brother. Cool off for killing, brother. Too much killing are going on Jamaica Rasta. Too much. You see me, I say, I beg you now, please. Easy off for killing Rasta. Yeah. Yeah, one dollar beg you now. Me not a youth mix up in a nothing around here. And sanction against nobody around here. You see me, I say? Yeah. Even though yeah, some people sit on one side and say, oh, I'm a pussy, you know. Yeah. And them sit down and them chat you. Because you hold the head above the water. You see what I say? Yeah. We don't come and say, hold on nobody and fight nobody. Me always say this. You see me? Yeah. Me is a youth, me always a try. Always a try. Me say ya. Ever I try. The one that I say that. Yeah. One Dan. When I say one Dan, everybody thinks it's a Dan where I lock all the gun and I kill people or the things at night. This a Dan and not kill nobody. This a Dan ya, nah sanction to kill nobody, nothing at all. This a Dan ya, never take a life yet. This a Dan ya, never send nobody to nobody nothing yet. But if you fuck yourself, yeah. If you're trouble, when I trouble you, you will get fucked. Yeah. Now talk the truth pan that one yeah. But I got me say, big up all like female them I walk them jammed. Big up all like male them I walk them jammed and not mix up in nothing around here. That's what me I say. Big up all like church people them I serve God from them out. Big up all like Rasta man them, the bubble them. We have to free them thing, you see me I say. I hope I recognize God. Me not violate and disrespect. You see me I say. Straight. Yeah man, have a great day. And try your best. Don't make nobody come drown out. You see me? Cause enough people chat in front of you and being about them I do all kind of fuckery, you see me I say straight. Have a good day, my day I go all the vibes, you see me? Yeah.